What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I want to talk about a play that did come across my desk that actually has a decent market cap and a good starting point to it. Has a little bit of popularity as well. You're seeing, good volume from this project. So it's kind of, showing me an opportunity. I always look for those opportunities when I go over to Coin Market Cap. I'll go and search what's trending as well as, what's popular and all these other things and look at some things that are new and also look for things that have a decent amount of volume, right, in the millions or a better volume to market cap ratio. Seeing those volume to market cap ratios that are up in the 10, 20, and 30%, those are the ones that you can tell are going to have quite a bit of popularity. Especially for where the market cap is, you want to question like why it's seeing that. Are we seeing different exchanges that it's on? Are we seeing different communication and maybe a trending topic or trending coin that or future trending coin if we're looking at something new. So I wanted to talk to you today about peaches. I think base peaches seems like it's going to be a decent play, and I want to go through exactly what it is. I want to go through the chart. I also want to go through the Twitter a little bit to show you that, but just give you all the information I think that you need in order to start your researching process. I don't think that this video is your end all be all researching process. I want you guys to maybe see what I see within it. And then if you find something else that you like about it that kind of draws your attention or draws you into it, then you go ahead and make that move if you see that it's necessary to. Now, before we get into this play, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out my channel, as well as if you want to check out any of the links for peaches, you can check out all of those and make your decision. The links will be at the top of the description for everything you need to, research. And maybe there's a couple of other things that you can go links within links, kind of like a nested link. So feel free to go ahead and check out all of those things. Now, let's talk about peaches, right? What is peaches, right? I've seen peaches maybe 3, 4 times, 5 times, not the position, but David Portnoy's dog, right? I watched the what's called one bite reviews because I love pizza. Who doesn't like pizza? And obviously he has his own style of pizza, and a lot of the pizzas that he says are like nines. They're really really good. Obviously, I would like to try the best pizza he's ever reviewed, but I haven't been able to get to that. I am close to it, but I haven't been able to get to it. But anyways, peaches, the position kind of just came across my desk recently. I mean, I think it's pretty much brand new, but let's go through this. So people have made billions on dog coins, but not one dog has been saved. We are the first revolutionary project with an initiative to save all the lost peaches in the world. Welcome to the digital realm of one of the most famous dogs on the blockchain, Miss Peaches, an American pit bull and the heart of Dave Portnoy, founder of Barstool Sports, rescued from a life of neglect. Miss Peach's journey from outhouse to penthouse has not only captured Dave's heart, but also the adoration of dog lovers worldwide, which again is a great story because obviously having any single dog go through this, any even like people, dogs, anybody go through neglect, go through just hard times is tough. I know from a personal standpoint, I know it's tough to go through hard times and to have like any living thing in this world really go through tough times like that is difficult, and to live like through that torture and all that, it's just not great. So my heart always goes out to dog rescuers. I know a lot of them, and it's amazing to be able to see them kind of just take in these dogs, take in these animals, and just love them. That's what it's all about. And I think this is something that really spreads that message. So Miss Peaches, Peaches lived at a dog shelter, left abandoned and abused. She was saved by Papa Portnoy, where she now resides on the base blockchain, helping free all unloved dogs. Um, every dog deserves love. 1% of tokens and pre-sale raised will be donated back to the foundation which brought Peaches to Papa Portnoy. Saving one dog at a time on base. Now, this is also a good thing when we talk about the position that it's on base. I feel like base is definitely more of a pop and chain right now. You understand Solana, a lot of things are being created over there, and Ethereum is not really a thing of the past, but it definitely is something that doesn't really have as much traction in today's standards. But base is definitely one that's definitely picking up steam, and I've seen things that have been created and have had success, so it's good to see that this is having success as well. If you want to go through their roadmap, I'm not going to go through it in depth, but they have their phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. I'm not sure exactly where they are because it doesn't really kind of lay out like what has been checked off and all of that stuff, but you could probably go through it and figure that out. But yeah, I'm not going to go through it in depth. If you wanted to buy Peaches, you would add base to MetaMask, and then you can load up Ethereum, buy Peach, and add Peach to your wallet just so that you can see the tokens that you did end up buying. You can meet the team, the founder, the marketer, Peaches and Cream, Peach Fuzz, Papa Peach, and then you have Peach Toshi. Peach Toshi is there. Supported exchanges, Uniswap, OKX. So that's reason why you would see a decent amount of volume. You have an exchange on board. Let's go ahead and look at the Twitter account really quick to show you how many followers are there. They have 10.4K followers, so they definitely have some popularity. And if you look at some of the tweets, you're gonna see some decent traction. 100 likes, different retweets, different likes and stuff. So it looks very legit in what they do have and organic growth within it. So that's definitely a good thing when you look at their Twitter account. Feel free to go and follow them on Twitter. I'll provide that link down below. But let's go into the actual position. So the position stands at about an $8 or $9 million market cap. If you look at the volume, you're looking at about $2.7 million worth of volume, which is a 31% volume to market cap ratio. This is something that does catch my eye quite a bit when I see a market cap ratio that's, above 10%, and seeing it at 30% is definitely great. You have 888 million Peach that's out there, which is 100% of the supply. It is self-reported, so I'm not sure if everything is truly out there or anything is locked up or burned off in any way, but that is the max supply that you do have, which is not a lot, not a huge supply. You're looking at a 1 cent price at the moment, about a 1 cent price at the moment. If we take a look at the last 7 days, it is down 26%. The last month, it's down 26% overall. I guess it started at the level of 1 cent, 1.3 cents, before increasing up to about 2 cents, but then decreasing again. It's not the most positive time in the market or the most volume that's going through the market. So once you see something that does have a little bit of popularity now, have the popularity then, which would be, more in the altcoin season, you could potentially see this absolutely skyrocket. And again, base is quite a bit of a popular chain right now. So definitely go ahead and give that a look. I mean, I know it is brand new. I feel like it does have quite a bit of potential to see crazy increases, especially with the volume that you're seeing now. The volume to market cap ratio tells me that we may see, a level of a 30, 40, or $50 million market cap, basically looking at a 500% or more than that return, 500 to 600% return up to those levels. But then obviously you can have a lot further growth as you have more exchanges and more things that are coming on. Again, the markets that it's available on is it says Uniswap and LBank, but on their website it says I don't know if that's OKX. I'm pretty sure that is OKX. So maybe that's taken a while to get onto CoinMarketCap. But the point is, you're seeing quite a bit of traction. You're seeing quite a bit of volume compared to, even the overall volume down 14%. So I want you guys to go ahead and check out all of the links down below. Feel free to look at the website, their chart, their Twitter account, and do your research before you're deciding to invest into it. But it does look like it has quite a bit of potential. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.